I teach power yoga. I take traditional yoga classes. I do therapy yoga, wherein people having certain ailments, certain issues that need to be tackled with yoga and meditation and the practices of yoga. I help them as well, take up those sessions. And yes, prenatal, people who are pregnant, I help them with yogic postures and yoga practices to help them with their delivery and labor. Besides that, I'm also a healer. So I run or I conduct workshops where we talk about honoring your boundaries, forgiveness, healing through relationships, how you have good relationships, and how you can make your life better by having good, healthy relationships. And also on mind-body connection. So there are a lot of these workshops that help you to, dive deep into yourself, and you get a lot of answers to yourself, or a lot of answers to the problems that we are tackling, which we are struggling with, and a lot of things get sorted with those issues. And besides that, I'm also a psychogeometric workshop facilitator. Now, this is something very, very interesting, and I'm super passionate about this. So here we have about different geometric shapes. Each geometric shape signifies a certain kind of characteristic, that agar ye shape hai, so ye banda aise behave karega, this is what he would like, this is what they don't like, what they are uncomfortable with. So we have specific traits for each shape. And that helps you to understand yourself, that this is my shape, this is my personality. Okay, that's the reason I am like this. That's the reason I don't like certain people. That's the reason I like certain things. This helps you to accept other people as they are, because you realize that this is their personality. So there's nothing wrong in the behavior, it's nothing personal. वो ऐसे ही हैं. And you learn to accept them. And you obviously, when you accept people as they are, you can really take your relationship to the next level. And when we also give you strategies to be able to communicate effectively to a person of a different personality, because we teach you the tools, the techniques are taught to you, they are introduced to you, so that you have the most effective communication with the person who's not like you, who's a different personality than you. Besides that, I am a homemaker. Yes, I have a joint family. I have a son who's 32 years old, and he is now working and has his own music company. And yes, I keep myself extremely busy, because that keeps me happy, content, and joyful. So how I balance my life, so yes, my work keeps me pretty busy, and I'm basically the person who likes a balanced life. मुझे अगर आप बोलो कि पूरा दिन काम ही करना है, and if I don't have time for my personal life, for my relationships, to look after my house, I start feeling very uncomfortable. So मुझे basically ऐसा है कि मुझे हर area मेरा properly in control चाहिए, where I know what's happening and I'm able to take care of it. So basic nature इसमें बहुत काम आता है, because that helps me to automatically balance my life, because that's how I like it. You know what? Actually, my working hours are such that it is all very fixed. कि ये time पे मेरा ये batch है, ये time पे मेरा ये batch है, ये class है. So when I know that this is the time, mine is fixed and I'm busy, I know the other time I have free for other things. So because I have a fixed routine about a lot of things, I'm able to plan कि हाँ ये time pe I will be doing this, I will do this at this time. So a lot of things get taken care of, because my life, my day to day, my work is very, very fixed timings. There is no change in that. Okay. So I design and plan my day accordingly. Now, because I want to have a lot of time for my personal life, मुझे पूरा दिन मेरे काम पे नहीं देना है, मैंने day 1 से क्या किया मालूम है? Sunday तो चलो छुट्टी है ही. So 3 days of my of the week, I keep it super busy. सारे मेरे classes है ना, मैं एक ही दिन ले लेती हूँ. बाकी के 3 दिन है ना, I take only one class, वो भी early morning. फिर क्या होता है? I have a sense of हाँ अभी मेरे पास पूरा दिन free है. So that gives me time कि मेरे in-laws के साथ time spend करना है, डॉक्टर के पास लेके जाना है, घर का कुछ करना है. I love to go to the parlor. I have time to go to the salon. I feel very happy about it. I love to go for movies. So I keep that time. अभी तो theater बंद है, नहीं तो मैं तो अकेली पिक्चर चली जाती हूँ. It gives me so much pleasure. I don't wait कि तुम मेरे साथ आ रहे हो कि नहीं. मैं free हूँ, मैं उठ के निकल जाती हूँ. I go and watch a lovely movie. So I've kept those 3 days पहले से. Though there are times I get a lot of work and I could do it on those days, but I avoid. मैंने day 1 से रखा कि नहीं, वो 3 दिन तो मैं काम करने वाली ही नहीं हूँ. So the other 3 days जितना काम करना है मैं कर लेती हूँ, because back of my mind I have, हाँ कल तो मेरा easy day है, I can take it easy, I can relax. So that keeps me going really well. So that's how I balance it off. Now, second thing, there are times when बहुत सारा काम याद आता रहता है, अरे ये भी करना है, अरे इसको फोन करना है, अरे ये लाना है. So दिमाग में खिचड़ी सी पक रही होती है, so many things happening. So मैं क्या करती हूँ, फटाफट पहले लिख लेती हूँ कि क्या क्या करना है, जस्ट रैंडमली लिखती जाऊँ. So फिर क्या होता है कि दिमाग को टेंशन नहीं देना है कि भाई मुझे याद रहेगा कि नहीं. Now I know it's jot down, so I'm relaxed कि हाँ jot down तो मैं कैसे करना, कैसे रास्ता निकाल के कर ही लूंगी. Now once I jot down, what I do, पहला काम क्या करना है, what is more important, what needs to be done first. So I prioritize it and I go accordingly. Then I write it down. चलो Monday, Tuesday ये काम करना है. This I can do it on so and so day. So that way I ensure the work gets executed and done. But it has to have a little bit of planning. बिना planning के नहीं होता है. मैं अगर मुझे पता है कि मैं 2 दिन बिजी हूँ, मेरा परसों के काम के लिए मुझे टाइम नहीं है, और आज अगर मेरे पास थोड़ा टाइम है, वो परसों का जो प्रिपरेशन है मैं आज ही कर लूंगी. Especially if this is concerning my class. A lot of times I plan my classes and do it. So मुझे पता है अभी 2 दिन मुझे नहीं मिलेगा टाइम, और आज I have time, so I'll write down and plan my class. So mentally I'm relaxed. हाँ चलो मेरा क्लास रेडी है, मुझे जब भी लेना है मैं ले सकती हूँ. Yeah. One more thing I'm very very keenly I believe in is discipline. तो लाइफ में होना चाहिए, लेकिन क्या होता है ना, बहुत डिसिप्लिन जीते हैं ना तो लाइफ का मजा निकल जाता है. हर चीज डिसिप्लिन, यही टाइम पे ये ही करना. व्हाट अबाउट द स्पॉन्टेनिटी ऑफ लाइफ, जो लाइफ की स्पॉन्टेनिटी का मजा है वो रह जाता है. सो आई हैव मेड माय फंडा कि लाइफ में डिसिप्लिन 2 चीज के लिए ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंड यू विल ऑल्सो अग्री व्हेन यू थिंक अबाउट इट. नो, आप भी मानोगे. एक तो है काम, योर वर्क, एंड योर हेल्थ. These 2 areas, if you don't compromise and you have a good routine and a good discipline, the other areas don't matter. Tell me any one area that you think, no, इसमें भी discipline चाहिए. I don't believe in any other area. So then what happens, once I'm disciplined in these 2 areas, other areas I keep it flexible and let go and go with the flow, enjoy it also, you know. And yeah, I also accept certain things which I know we cannot change. So I learn, first thing I learn is, when I want something or I want somebody to do something, I try my best. वो हुआ तो ठीक है. If I can do something about it, I will do it. But at one point you will all realize that now ये हमारे हाथ में नहीं, we really can't do anything about it. Then let go, भगवान पे छोड़ दिया, जिसका जो होता है होने. Because I realize we cannot control others. We cannot change others. The only control I have is on myself. The only change I can bring is in myself. So that has also helped me a lot in life, you know. If I can do something about it, something is worrisome, I just think, Rima, what can you do about it? Okay, this is what I can do. So I will take my steps to do about it. And then if I feel नहीं, इसके बारे में मैं कुछ भी नहीं कर सकती, okay, leave it. चलो, जो होना है वो होना है, and I cannot do, then why worry about it and move ahead with other things in life. And yes, I completely believe in living life to the fullest. I want to make the most of every moment. I want to enjoy life every minute, and I want to be happy and joyful. And I have taken it as my responsibility. मुझे खुश रखने के लिए मेरे husband, मेरा बेटा, मेरे in-laws, nobody is responsible. मुझे खुश रखने के लिए मैं ही responsible. I'm going to keep myself happy. I'm going to be joyful and positive. Nobody is going to affect my happiness. So that has really helped me, because when I'm positive, when I'm happy, I'm able to do things a lot in my life the way I want it. I'm able to give importance to the things and people who are important to me. And yes, I'm able to do much more in life. In our yoga, you know what? They say कि life में ना हर दिन, every day, we should all have a balance of 4 things. ये चारों चीज आपके हर दिन में होना चाहिए. First is, you should be doing your duty. So duty is what? If we women, cooking the food, taking care of the children, ensuring the house is running well, and if we are working, our duty towards our work. Okay, so a certain time is there towards our duty. But give every day 1 hour for recreation. A recreation is something that you're just passion, you're just following your passion, something that you truly enjoy. जिसका आपको कुछ मिलने वाला नहीं, nothing to do with earning money. It is completely your time which you're doing for your enjoyment. Singing ho, walking ho, gymming ho, running ho, It could be anything. For some people, cooking gives them therapy, you know. So if that makes them feel good, fine. So do anything for one another that gives you happiness and satisfaction. Thirdly, yes, eat good, nutritious food, fresh food. This is what yoga talks about. And I know we all believe in this as well. We all know the importance of fresh, seasonal, and nutritious food. And finally, every day give some time to good, positive thoughts. See, the thing is, when we hear good things, na, तभी हम बहुत inspire हो जाते हैं. We get very affected in a nice way. But थोड़ा दिन जाता है और उसका असर निकल जाता है. So what they say that constantly be motivated, constantly be inspired, constantly be boosted with positive things and good thoughts. So always keep at least half an hour as per how much of a time you have in your day for some inspiration things. So it could be by hearing something, it could be attending something, it could be by listening to something, it could be whatever, or by reading something. So kuch to rakho which keeps you anchored and positive throughout your day. Because after a few days वो चीज का असर निकल जाता है. तो आप रोज अपने आप को ग्राउंडेड रखो by doing this. So दे हर दिन में आपके पास ये 4 चीज के लिए टाइम होना चाहिए. Okay, so that's how I keep my life balanced. There are times when I'm not able to balance, but that's also okay. होता है, वो भी let go करना मैंने सीख लिया. I try to let go, you know. So that helps me to be grounded, happy, and well balanced. And on that note, thank you so much. I would thank me, myself, Mom, the 3 M's for giving me this platform to express my feelings.